How to fix your MacBook can't connect to your personal hotspot. So if you're trying to hotspot from your iPhone to your MacBook and you can't connect, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just go and unlock your iPhone like this. Now click on mobile service and then press personal hotspot. Now make sure allow others to join is turned on, and also make sure maximize compatibility is turned on as well. Now if it's not working, you can try toggling off allow others to join, waiting around 3 seconds and then try turning it back on. If it's still not working, come back over to the main settings page. You can then scroll down and click on general, scroll down to the bottom of your iPhone and select transfer or reset. Now press reset and select Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your passcode in order to confirm these changes, and then you can try turning back on your personal hotspot, and then you can head over to your Mac computer and check to see if you can find your connection. If it's not working, you can also try toggling the Wi-Fi off on your Mac, wait around 3 seconds and then turn it back on. You can then click on your Wi-Fi symbol in the top right hand side and click on Wi-Fi settings. Now where it says ask to join hotspots, make sure this is set to ask to join and then click on advanced. You can then scroll down your list of saved Wi-Fi networks and you'll need to go and locate your personal hotspot. Once you've found your hotspot, click on the 3 horizontal dots. You can then press remove from this device and press forget. Once you've followed all of these steps, you can then try reconnecting to your personal hotspot and you should now be able to connect.